Giving that to a good friend of mine. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another vlog. Gonna take my Allegra. It's back to being high again. So yeah, it's back to being hot again, and I had bad allergies during the summer. It really sucks. Which I don't want to be dealing with that for today. Just getting ready to make my way to work. Get it started. Ready to get this day done. I have no idea what's going on. It's like four police bikes just all like pulling down. There's one on the side of the road. I don't know what they're doing, but they're like pulling up a lot of traffic, capping the lanes off. It's crazy. I'll show you. The hair is all like everywhere. Taking a lunch. Don't know what I'm gonna get either. I don't know. I'm gonna find somewhere to go eat. Hungry, starving, looking damn sexy. It is really hot, which I ain't gonna complain about it because I'd rather be hot than cold. So I went ahead and made my decision. What I'm gonna do is. So I already made my decision. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and wait on the dyno tune. So I'm going to go ahead and wait on the dyno tune and go ahead and get a lot of stuff done in my car. Everything I need to get. Everything I need to get. So I'm going to go with my stage 2 clutch and get my suspension set up. And just see what more I need to get done before I even go ahead and do that. That'll be my goal. I'm not gonna sit here and try to rush it all in. Actually, I finally know where I'm gonna go eat. I'm gonna go to Sonic, try some of the food again. I haven't had Sonic in a while, even though I'm lying like a couple of days back, probably the last week. I'll go for their Frito burrito or their bacon burger. I fucking love burgers. Like. If I had to pick and choose, I would choose a burger over anything else. Mainly like pizza though. I used to gobble down like 4 double cheeseburgers in one sitting, but I'm trying to do better and not doing that too much. Body can't handle that anymore. just now leaving the Tarrant County courthouse, I guess, to get my registration done. So finally got my paper. Finally got my paper, and actually now get ready to make it back home. Tonight's the wife's birthday. Well, today's the wife's birthday, so we're planning to go out, have dinner, and go from there. So, alright guys, I'll catch y'all here soon. So we really had fun last night. We actually got to enjoy ourselves. We went to Uncle Julio's with the big family. So we ate a lot, got full, came home last night. I was just tired of the post, but I did edit some stuff. And then I didn't post anything for last night, so it sucks. So I'm just going ahead and post it for today. Alright guys, I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please leave a like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Turn on your notification as well. Alright guys, and stay tuned for more good content. So